In the world of motorcycles, there are legends that captivate our imagination, machines that embody power and style. Today, we present to you a fusion of two iconic bikes, a blend of raw aggression and cutting-edge engineering, the Suzuki Raider 400. Born from the vision of passionate riders, the Suzuki Raider 150 has undergone a remarkable transformation. The heart of this beast now beats with the legendary Kawasaki Ninja 400 engine, a masterpiece of power and performance. The result? A true marvel of engineering, the Raider 400. The Raider 400 stands as a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship of those who dare to push the limits. The symphony of sleek lines and muscular contours hint at the untamed power that lies within. Every inch of this machine has been meticulously modified to accommodate the awe-inspiring Ninja 400 engine.